begins our journey north for the summer.
Hi ho, it's off to Reno we go.
Reno we go. A very snail's pace. Go 100 miles, rest a few days. Go 100 miles, rest a few days kind of travel schedule. We had a very nice time staying at the Pilot Knob RV Resort. We like it here. Yeah, and we are not RV park people, but this is so kind of laid back, and it's very convenient for us.
Turn left on Sidewinder Road North.
She's
then
so
take
rude.
the first right.
She's so rude.
And it's not in Yuma, it's out of town.
Yeah.
It's in West Yuma.
Yeah. And it's close for us to come over here and do this and then go to our boondocking. So all winter long we were back and forth, and we didn't have any big major long travel days, because what we used to do when we were on Ogilvie Road is we would come all the way over here to this chevron, which is like what, 6 miles from,
Probably 9.
and yeah, from our spot it's
probably
probably
9
about
miles.
9 miles or more.
It's not a big deal.
Not a big deal, but it takes time. So you come over here and dump, and go all the way back past Ogilvie Road to the rest area to get water. Granted, it only costs $10 to do the dump here, and
Sometimes 15.
Yeah, depends on who's working. So $10 here, and then free water, but you gamble on whether there's going to be water available at the rest area. Now they redid it all, so it should be good to go now.
The rest area.
The rest area, yeah, the water at the rest area. So, but we've really liked this kind of thing. We're a lot closer.
Then take the first right.
They're both rude. We have Google and we have Garmin, and they're both rude. So we, anyway, we've really liked doing this method this year, and we've got to spend a lot of time with Bob and Pearl and lots of other friends, and it's been a great time. But it is time to head north to family and friends up in Reno, and we'll see some friends along the way.
Yes, we will.
Yes, we will.
Friends we haven't seen all winter, we're going to see again probably in another 2.5, 3 weeks.
So to drop off the trash, because all the trash cans are right at the exit. So not only do we sing trash, 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 like Untethered does. Thank you, Untethered, for that idea. I've also made a note, trash, trash, trash. So we put it right here on the console, and
so we read the lyrics.
We read the lyrics, because we forget the words. So.
Well, we made it. Very uneventful trip. Short trip. Best kind of trips. We are in Quartzsite, and not many other people are in Quartzsite. We kind of like it this way. We got a rig over there, a couple rigs over there, but I mean everybody is at least a couple football fields away from us, which is the way it should be. And this is our Our new Scaddan Wash spot, we kind of like it. You know, Dave's cactus is still standing, but there were people at the cactus, still the same ones that were there in January. There's the baby cactus that we're growing. And here's our new cactus. So, we are here for a week, not at least. We are here for exactly 1 week. We pull out again. I believe it's either Friday. Yeah, this coming Friday we pull out. So we're only here for 6 days, 7 days, something like that. I guess it is a week. Let me deduce here and try to figure this out. I need to put my arithmetic cap on. I'll be back. Whew, okay. We're here for 7 days, 6 nights. Magic hat helps me do arithmetic.
Take your banner